Hello there, this is Easy English Joy and welcome back for a more learning exercise. Must versus have to slash has to. For this exercise, we are going to fill in the blanks with the appropriate affirmative or negative forms of must or have to slash has to complete the sentence correctly. Let's begin. The correct answer is must. It expresses a strong recommendation here. It's raining outside. Jim must take his umbrella. Don't have to indicate that buying a new car is not necessary because you can use the speaker's car. I can give you my car so you don't have to buy a new one. Don't have to is correct because it means there's no need for them to be in a hurry. They don't have to be in a hurry because they have more than enough time. Have to is used to indicate the external obligation to stop at the red light as a traffic rule. You have to stop at the red light. Don't have to indicate getting up early is optional on Sunday. Tomorrow is Sunday. You don't have to get up early. The use of must is appropriate because it conveys a strong recommendation or necessity based on Mrs. Park's condition. Has to can also be used to express obligation when necessity, but it tends to emphasize external requirements or rules rather than personal recommendation or need. Mrs. Parks can see very well. She must wear glasses. Or Mrs. Parks can't see very well. She has to wear glasses.